students of standard second. Today we are going to learn chapter number 7. In this chapter we will learn about what is one, naming words one and more than one. One and more than one means singular, and if the things is more than one, that means plural. In the previous video I explained you what is special name. Special name means the name of a particular person or name of a particular animals. Now in this chapter we have to learn singular and plural. In singular you have to remove s or es from the naming words, but in plural words you have to add, you have to remove in the, but in the if the word is singular, you have to remove s from the naming words, but if the word is plural, there is a s or es in the words. Now see here some pictures to show that there are more than one thing. We often add s or es. If the thing is more than one, we have to add s or es to naming words. Look at the picture and read the words given below. मीन्स कोई भी चीज़ अगर एक है तो उसे हम एस नहीं लगाएंगे, और अगर कोई भी चीज़ हमारे पास एक से ज़्यादा है तो वो सारे नेमिंग वर्ड्स में हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, एस और ई एस. क्या यूज़ करेंगे हम, एस और ई एस. नाउ सी दिस पिक्चर, दिस इज अ सिंगल बेल. सो व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ द बेल, बी ई डबल एल बेल. बट इन दिस पिक्चर देयर आर टू बेल. सो what they wrote here, b e double l s bells. This is a one chair. So in this, so the chair of the spelling is c h a i r, chair. But there are two chairs, so there is a s. I explained you know that we have to add s or es. So what if we add in this spelling, we add s. Third one, this is a one book, means singular. This is more than one book, so we have to write books, b double o k s, books, and we have to add s at the end of the word. This is a one tree, so the spelling of the tree is t r double e, tree. This is two trees, so we have to write t r double e s, trees. Now see, we add s to words like bell, chair, book, and tree. If we have to add s in the following words, we add es to some naming words, but we have to add es so in some naming words. कुछ वर्ड्स में हमें es यूज़ करना पड़ता है. क्या यूज़ करना पड़ता है, es. कुछ वर्ड्स नेमिंग वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिसमें हम s नहीं लगा सकते, उस वर्ड में हमें क्या यूज़ करना पड़ता है, es. Now see first one, this is a watch, picture of a watch. This is a one watch, so the spelling of the watch is watch, but here two watches, no, so we have to add watches, watches. This is a one dish, dish, dish. There are so many dishes, so we have to write dishes, dishes, dishes. This is a one mango, so the spelling is mango, mango, but there are two mangoes, no, so what is the spelling of mango, mangoes. So what we have to add here, es. This is a one bush and there are two bushes, so we have to add es. In short, if there is if in the naming words there is a h at the end of the word, so you have to use es, and if there is a o at the end of the naming words, you have to write es. If there